Excellent. I think one of the first ones that I looked at was actually in Times Square in New York City.
Yeah.
I thought that was kind of cool. Tell me about that operation. What happened there?
Yeah, so that is actually in a partnership we have with a large billboard company called Outfront. Times Square, I'll go back to the stadium example we talked about earlier in the interview. What's in Times Square? A lot of people, right? A lot of food, a lot of French fries on the ground, a lot of open trash cans, right? What is a billboard? Well, a billboard is like a hotel for pigeons, and for birds. I've read recently that New York City actually has more pigeons than people, and so they were just being overthrown by birds and pigeons. So we put it on the billboard, saw dramatic results immediately, made a couple tweaks, and now we're essentially bird free. So yeah, it's a cool place, no doubt about it. But at the end of the day, we're protecting structures in New York City, but also around the world.
Excellent. So let's talk a little bit about